Hi everybody, Nick Skiba here at Snowy Mountain Motors filming another beautiful trade-in that we just got. This is a work truck, a 2500 Ram, that's a 3/4 ton, with a Cummins engine and a crew cab and a long box. Okay, let's get inside here. We'll take a look at our cloth seats. In very nice condition. Not overused, not torn, not ripped, nothing. They're just very good shape. It's be a great work truck for you. It was locally traded to us. You can see you got your exhaust brake there for the diesel and your trailer brake controller. Here's your four-wheel drive system right there. Of course, you saw the radio earlier. This has 89,500 some odd miles on it right there. I think you can see that. And hands-free phone, manual seat, tonneau cover on the back, as you can see when I walk around here. There it is. The bed has usage. It has been used. It was a pull-in truck, as you can see. It does have a turnover ball in there, a B&W type. Everything on this truck would be good for you, for whatever it is that you're needing to do. Tire tread on these is not great. I think it's not bad, but it's to the wear indicators. So I don't know. That might be replaced by the time you come to see it. We don't know. That's up to the powers that be. But I am the power that gets to show you the truck, and I'm showing you a cool truck. That if you need a work rig for the ranch, the farm, or just a great inexpensive over-the-road puller, this might be the truck for you. Yeah, there's a little dent right there, but that's not terrible. Here we are again. Take a look and come check it out here at Snowy Mountain Motors. You'll probably take it home.